Yes, class, good morning. Today we will discuss here a new topic, integrations by part. Means here two functions, first function, second function. So which function you taking the first, which function you taking the second, this means by part. First part and second part. First function and second function. First we will discuss here, suppose you have the two function in the differential form, then what you will do this here. First here, suppose you have d over dx and u and b. Suppose two function in the differential form, what is your result here? This is your result. First function, differentiate your d over dx into b plus second function and d over dx equal to u. This is the differential form of the two functions. The same thing in the second condition here. Suppose you have the two function fx and gx and dx. In the integration form, fx and dx, any two functions here. fx and gx, any two function, suppose trigonometric function, algebraic function, a mixed inverse function, exponential function, any type functions here this. So how to solve this question? This will be your first function fx. fx, same here, integration of this second function gx dx. First function, integration of this second functions minus integration of first function, integration of the second function. Second things here, again differentiation of the first function f dash x. F dash x means differentiation of the first function. This is the dash. F dash means differentiation of the first function. Again integration of the second function gx dx and again dx. In this form, suppose you have two function in the differential form. This is your identity. Suppose you have two function in the integration form, so then you will add here plus sign, here minus sign, important things. But routine change are different. Here first function, integration of the second function, minus integration sign, differentiation of the first function, integration of the second function, and again dx. You will write in this form. Second things, suppose second things here, which your first function and second function, you have one. How to select this thing, which is the first function and which is your second function? Which function you will take the first and which you will take with the second? So according this, according this rule, according this rules, you will applying your ILATE rules and then choose. Then you will select the first function. ILATE rules select the first function. ILATE rules select the first function here. I means inverse trigonometric function. Suppose you have two type function, one inverse function, one algebraic function. Yeah, inverse function, trigonometric function, inverse function and exponential function. The first function you will select the inverse according to ILATE rules. I means inverse function. Inverse trigonometric function. First you will select the, suppose you have any function here, suppose inverse function, then you will select the inverse trigonometric function with this first function. Second according to this sequence, logarithmic function. Second, you will select the logarithmic function is the first function. Third, you will take algebraic function. Third, you will select the trigonometric function. And last, you select the exponential function. Last, we select their exponential function. Inverse trigonometric function, L for logarithmic function, A for algebraic function, and T for trigonometric function, and E for exponential function. According these rules, you will select the first function. This LA rule always using only when you are selecting the first function. Suppose you are having the two different functions here. Suppose x tan inverse x. So which will be your first function? The tan inverse will be your first function, and this x equal you having the second function. This one you will having the first, and this will be having the second. Because according LA rule, inverse trigonometric function, suppose you are having two functions, then trigonometric function is the first and algebraic function will be second. Suppose you having your e exponent x and log x, which will be first, which will be second? According these rules, logarithmic function and exponent. The logarithmic function will come in the first, this will be used like the first. This will be used like the first, and this will be used like the second. Because exponential function will come in the last, so this will be always selecting the second. Those functions come in the serial in first, then you select the first function. According, suppose here right there, suppose you are writing sine x and x square, or you have integration. So which one will you select? Trigonometric function or algebraic function? The algebraic function come here first. So this is your algebraic function. This will be first and this will be second. But here write is sine x and e exponent x. So trigonometric function come first and exponent function comes second. This will be your second, and this will become your first. In this condition, trigonometry come here first and exponential come here second. So you will e exponent x you will select your second, sin x you will select your first. According to serial we come the first. This is the first function, and rest will be the second function. Suppose in case you have the two algebraic function. Suppose you have the two algebraic function. Suppose you having the two algebraic function here. So which will be the select first? Suppose you having the two algebraic function. So which one will be this x square, suppose, and y? So those algebraic, those differential is very simpler, and those differential having the simpler, you will select the first function. Suppose example, suppose you write x square and y. Both are here algebraic function here. So then which will be first function? Those having the easier to differentiate. Those having easier to differentiate using the first. This is the first, this is the second. Those will be having the easier to differentiate, you will select the first. Only algebraic function, not every function. This will be rule applying only when two algebraic function come one times, then you will be select the first function which differentiate is easier. Second case, when two trigonometric function come same times, suppose sine cube x and tan x. Sine cube x and two trigonometric function came in the same times. So which function we will be select the first, or which select will be the second? So those integration is easier, simpler. Those function having the integration is the simpler, will be select the second function. So this integration is the easier, then you will select the second, or this will be select the first. Trigonometric condition you will select with help of the integration rules, or algebraic condition will be select with help of the differential rules. So here two trigonometric functions, so which will be select the first? Those integration is simpler, will be select the second, not first, will be select the second. Those integration is the easier, will be select the second, or here condition is opposite. Those differential is simpler, will be select the first. It is clear? Then we will start the exercise. So this is the rules of the integration by parts. This is the identity of the integration by parts, and by parts having the two function, this is the rule of selecting of the first function. In case out of these rules, then you suppose two algebraic function and two trigonometric function, then you will select the according this rule. Just note down it. Yes, students, next I am taking the question number first from exercise 7.6. This exercise here depend integration of by parts. You have given two function here. First here x, second here sin x. Two function here given. To which function you will select first, which function you will select to second. This will depend on the LATE rules. First we will write the LATE. LATE. Here x means algebraic function. The algebraic function is your first and t means trigonometric function. This is second. So this function, the lat integration equal to integration x sin x dx. This one is first and this one is second function. Because according to the LATE rules, algebraic function is come first, a trigonometric function come in the after that algebraic function. So those function come in the first, this will take the first function. According to LATE rule, algebraic function come first and trigonometric function come second. So the algebraic function will take first and sin x trigonometric function will take in the second. According to the rules here, when using the fx gx, first function integration of fx gx dx, first function integration of the second function minus integration of differentiation of the first function and integration of the second function and dx. This one. According to this rule, we will write here. Here now I equal first function your x, integration of second function is sin x dx minus integration of differentiation of first function d over dx into x and integration of second function sin x dx, and this will be closed dx. Check this. First function x, integration of second function minus sin differentiation of the first function integration of the second function and dx. Now solve it. First function integration of the sin x minus cos x minus integration differentiation of this one and sin x integration of sin x minus cos x and dx. That means minus x cos x, minus minus here plus, again you will integration here cos x dx. So minus x cos x. First we check this, calculate this. The minus minus here plus, the cos x only left. Again integration of the cos x here. What is called integration? Plus sin x plus c. So this is your final answer of the first questions. This is your final answer of the first questions. This is integration I for integration of the two functions here. So when you are using the two functions, then you will select integration I equal this. So there first function, the second function, applying the rules of the by parts here, and then according to the integrate and you find the answer. Yes, you note down. Then next question. Yes, student, next question I am taking question number 3rd here. X square and e exponent x dx. So two function here given. Same rules applying here. ILATE. ILATE. So this is your algebraic function. This is your exponential function. The exponential function is the last. This is the second function. Our algebraic function here come here. This is the first function. Because algebraic function come before of the exponential function. Every function, algebraic function will be right here first compared than exponential function. So now first we will take I equal x square e exponent x dx. This one is first function and this one your second function according to LA tools. Then using your identity, fx gx dx equal to fx integration of this second function minus integration differentiation of the first function or integration of the second dx and dx. According this rule, first function integration of second minus differentiation of the first integration of the second and dx. Then I equal first function your x square, second you are taking the integration of e exponent and dx minus integration of first function d over dx x square and integration of e exponent x dx and dx. First function integration of second, differentiation of first function, integration of second and dx. Then x square are same, e integration of e exponent x same, e exponent x, integration of the e exponent x, integration of e exponent equal to e exponent x. This is the rule property of the integrations. Minus integration differentiation of this 2x, differentiation of the 2x and integration of this here e exponent x. What is the differentiation of this? Differentiation of x square is 2x or integration of ex again dx. Now look here again applying first function second function. 2 taking outside here x exponent e exponent x minus 2 taking outside here, 2 taking outside here, and algebraic function is first, exponential function is taking the second. Again you are taking here applying here first function and second function. Then first function integration of the second function dx minus this rule applying 2 times, first time here or second times here. These rules applying first time here and second time you applying here. Then x exponent x integration differentiation of d over dx is x, integration e exponent x dx and dx, and this will be closed. X square e exponent x, otherwise you can write here square bracket, you write here curly bracket in this way. Now again integration here minus 2, first function integration of the second function, first function same, integration of second e power x minus, and differentiation of the x is 1 and e exponent x equal to e exponent equal to dx, and this is closed. The differentiation of the x to 1 into e exponent x equal to e exponent x. According to this rule, x square e exponent x minus 2x e exponent x minus minus here plus 2 or e exponent x dx. Dx means the same thing here, multiply inside minus 2 here, minus 2 x exponent minus minus here plus 2 multiply in here or e exponent dx. Again integration of this part, then result will become here x square e exponent x minus 2 x e exponent x plus 2 e exponent x. Then you will get the answer here. What is the final answer here? You I equal, what will you taking e exponent x, e exponent x, e exponent is common. So taking e exponent x here common, what is left here? X square minus 2x plus 2 and plus c. This is your answer. And plus c also here. This is not answer. This is plus c constant also here. But this is integration one is completed, then you write here plus c. But then e exponent x taking common 3 terms, first, second, 3 terms, and then you write here plus C here. But this is your final answer. Yes. Now look here. In this question you are applying this by part rules here 2 times. First applying here and second applying here. Suppose required 2 times, 3 times, then you apply this. This is not correct. You are applying 2 times, the answer is wrong. Answer will become correct. Yes, first you select the first function, second function here according to LA tools. Then you will be write the identity here to make it easy to question here. What is the differential part, what is the integration part. This will make it easy to questions. And then according this identity you will put the values here according to first function, second function. Then integrate here. Suppose you have required again here you have required here again these rules, then applying because you are taking outside the first function, second function, again making here this rule repeating here first function, second function, this. Then again calculate it, taking here two these things are common, taking outside here, then you write the final answer. Yes, you note down and then next.